If my kids can do it, so can you. Coming to you live from the Army, my daughter Caneel and her husband Jared. Nothing like fresh lime ceviche.
Making some ceviche, as you can tell by all the ingredients. The ceviche is going to be made with albacore, solid white albacore.
What are the other ingredients?
The first things first, you make sure you gotta go open up your albacore. That's the first thing you do.
Yeah.
Now you just open it up.
So it's required to have a dog while you make this. A cute one. Say hello to the camera.
I drained the albacore and I'm just dumping it all into the bowl. Just gonna start mashing it all together so it's not all chunky.
Usually we get the sliced almonds. Oh no.
Say,
The sliced olives.
Danine, make sure you crop that. Then you just dump them in. And is that a green one in there? The amount of everything that you put in there is just kind of by eye. There's too much pink from the albacore, then I throw more of something else in there. And if there's too much red from tomatoes, then it needs more cucumber. Really, you just throw in as much as you want.
We're gonna do our cucumber. Usually, well, since we don't have a peeler, then we have to do it with a knife.
And you can feed your dog the cucumber peel.
And next, we just chop it. So now we want to chop it into little pieces. I usually just cut it in half, and then I start to. And then we have a personal vacuum, which is kind of nice.
So you missed it, but she dropped so much more cucumber. One of these things is not like the other.
We're gonna add these. Okay, so next we are gonna be cutting this onion. We wear face protection for this reason and for this reason. Okay. So then we're gonna combine it. We just want to put it into little small pieces. We probably put in 1/4.
So next, we're going to be cutting up the avocados. I'm somewhat of a professional. Alright, so after dicing up your avocado, just start pushing them all in to your bowl. And then it'll all fall apart when you're actually mixing it all together at the end.
Next, we're gonna cut up the cilantro. So you just gotta cut as tiny as you want. So now we're gonna add it all to.
So next is the lime. So you just squeeze it all in there. And you want to not put all of it in one spot. So when you do one lime, alright, so after juicing one of my limes, I start mixing it all around. All the different sorts of colors everywhere. No segregation up in this bowl. And then we keep on squeezing more limes.
Then we're gonna mix it all together.
We're gonna keep mixing after every lime that we juice. Of salt and pepper. I just kind of keep on going forever because it's gonna get mixed around eventually. Yeah, so as you can see, it looks like there's way too much, but we'll mix it and it gets spread out very well.
We usually put tapatio on the very end.
Alright, so in the tapatio, you just kind of, it's just tapatio, it's not that hot.
Eat it with tostadas. So here's your final product. We cut up the tostadas.
Thank you for making ceviche with me.